this is our second day challenge. Shoutout pala sa Island Keeper CNMI. Shoutout. We'll go this way. Yan guys, so katulad niya, no, hindi nila kinuha yan. If you notice, we segregate what's this, the recycling. This one we can bring to the junk shop to sell. Get those back na. That back. Segregating, at least you're learning how to recyclable trash like aluminum. Get the bottles. Yan. Yan. And your back. There's another one in your back. Okay, we go. Now see the bottle there? The battery. That's battery?
Yeah.
That's contamination. That's waste. Chemical waste. Ano pa? The bottle. Ito before what's that, 50 years before they decompose, no? 50 years. Time check ay 15. Look at those broken eyeglass. Okay. Spoon. Everything you throw. Plastic, bucket. Years. Bago matunaw to, 50 years. Okay guys, ito tatapon natin ngayon. Okay guys, ito na, itatapon namin to sa tamang tapunan ng basura. Ayan. Okay guys, punta tayo doon na. Pupunta kami sa trash bin. Ayan. Okay, diretso mo sa trash bin. Tatapon na. Attorney, good morning.
How you doing?
We doing cleaning beach nila. Tatapon namin yan. Yeah. Sige.
Uy, nating rat.
Ito na. Tatapon na. Yan. Yan. Ayan ang tamang disposal. Ayan guys. Nakaisa na kami. Nagtapon kami. Pupunta uli kami sa ibang lugar. So abangan nyo uli guys. Pala guys, yung kinukolekta namin cans. Hindi namin to tinatapon mismo. Kinukolekta namin. Kasi dito binibili to ng 5 cents sa 1 piece. So kahit pa paano, may pera yung anak ko. Meron kami pambiling merienda. Pero iniipon namin to. Let's say for example, 100 pieces. How much 100 pieces?
Maybe
Ah.
$10.
So, 100 pieces like $5. Parang ganon. Kasi 5 cents lang siya eh, right? So, yung nakolekta namin ito, may siguro almost 500 na. Pero hindi pa namin binibenta. Abangan nyo, gagawa natin ng another content yun. So, ito, for example, nakuha namin ngayon. Ngayon lang to. About more than 20. So, abangan nyo ulit guys. Get your bag
Yeah, I have.
when you get up. Only cup. Yeah. There, keep throwing. Yeah, okay. So one I
Okay.
gathered. Okay, up muna. This one, along Beach Road. We cannot find anything trash, clean. Okay.
What's that?
Nothing, right? No trash. Clean. We go the other side. Yan, dito kami sa Beach Road. Yan natin kung makasok. They have
No,
cans.
I don't like. I need this very far.
See how they hide the cans. No? Yan. Ultra.
Wait. Cannot open naman.
They have?
Over there.
Oh, she find one again there.
Oh, how can I get?
Yeah, go get it.
Cannot.
No
Very
problem.
far.
Just get it.
Very far.
Yeah. How many you find there?
How? Very, very hard.
Just careful. See the
I
hands.
don't like have spider.
Hold your hands. You can? Find that hand. There you go. Cans inside. Okay. Take it, uwi ka na. Yun pa. Paano ko?
Huh?
Watch out ha. Paano ko? Yan, yan.
What's that? Like flower?
Put back. Okay.
No? Ready, put sun. Take out.
Even that the cup. The cup.
Huh?
Plastic. Dito tayo sa American Memorial Park. Yan. Wala tayo. Wala na yung mga market. Hinapaw na yan. Sa area between Hayat and Memorial Park. Station, yung
Wait,
balon.
you tell them shout out. There's plenty trash behind the tree. Look.
Take down. Break that one, put in the plastic. Yeah, see you even the plastic. Can you break it? Can you pop up? Yeah. 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 Put in the plastic. We're now here. Hayat. Tayo sa Hayat. Sila ka. Hayat. Alright. Nandito pa rin kami sa American Memorial Park, nabuburit ng plastic. Ganda ng dagat, napakalinis. Pero yun nga, merong mga nagpupunta dito, lalo na kahapon, parang fiesta. Pasko ng pagkabuhay. Marami nagkalat dito, yung mga plastic. So ito yung anak ko, naglilinis pa rin kami dito, naghahanap kami. Kasama na itong aluminum cans. No? So abangan nyo ulit guys. Yan, katulad ng plastic yung mga kinukuha. Diretso ka lang din. Napakaganda oh, parang Boracay. Napakaganda Boracay. Ayan pa anak ko yan. Yeah. For Jackson.
Huh? This one?
For Jackson, yeah. You wash. That's all, eh? Yung dahil plastic, no? All plastic, right? Ayun, no? Lagi mo. Ay. Take out the some.
How come you poop? Throw?
Okay, put. Yep. If we may pull that one, we will go home. Wow. What do you call that? Wow, jackpot. Wow, kita nyo, laki oh. Wow. Good for the meal, no? One din. So, alright, thank you. Guys, natapos din kami at least more than 1 hour. So ito yung nag-gather namin tsaka yung kanina. So itatapon na namin dito sa waste sa trash bin. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you. Yeah, dispose mo na. Yeah, dispose na. Ito yung mga nag-gather namin cans. Can you show the cans? The one you got the last